Hello, welcome to the Voice of Libraries Pakistan. Today we will talk about BLAISE, British Library's automated information service. BLAISE started in the early 1970s, when the British Library began transferring its bibliographic records to an automated system. The purpose is to enable automated searching of library records, provide quick and accurate access to information, and modernize the cataloging process. Key functions include online access to the British National Bibliography, providing machine-readable cataloging records and improving data sharing among libraries. The target audience is librarians, researchers, and educational institutions for providing advanced informational services. Remember, BLAISE is an early example of library automation from the 1970s. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye. As BLAISE revolutionized library services, it significantly impacted how librarians accessed and shared information. The collaboration among librarians using digital databases became more efficient, resulting in better service for researchers and educational facilities. The benefits of BLAISE include faster access to information, modernizing the cataloging process, and enhancing communication between libraries. This shift not only improved the overall efficiency of library operations, but also empowered users with timely access to resources needed for their research and studies. Remember, BLAISE's innovation continues to influence library automation today. In the midst of these advancements, librarians started encountering challenges, particularly concerning computer passwords and access security. The discussion grew heated as different perspectives emerged. Some favored strict password policies, while others advocated for user-friendly access. This debate underscored the tension between maintaining security and providing seamless access to essential resources. As librarians continued to argue over the best practices for password management, their commitment to both safety and service shone through, reflecting the complex responsibilities they hold in the digital age. With cybersecurity threats looming over libraries, the urgency for a balanced approach became clear. One librarian passionately warned about the risks of lax password policies, while another argued that overly complicated systems could alienate users. This ongoing tug-of-war highlighted the need for libraries to prioritize both safety and accessibility, ensuring that patrons could access valuable resources without feeling overwhelmed by barriers. Their spirited discussions exemplified the dedication and passion that librarians bring to their roles, continually adapting to the evolving landscape of information management. Amidst the heated discussions, inspiration sparked collaboration among the librarians. They gathered around digital screens to brainstorm innovative solutions, envisioning a future where users could easily access digital archives without compromising security. Their hard work paid off when a new streamlined login process was introduced, allowing patrons to effortlessly explore the wealth of resources online. Watching